Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So this is the Nifty chart, 15 minute Nifty futures in fact. Let's quickly look over this stock analysis plus Nifty. So let's start with Nifty. As you can remember in previous video, I discussed that these are the ranges to the extreme. It is 18,600, 17,870, and on the lower side it is roughly around 17,700. Right. So these are the ranges which are going to decide if we are going long or we are going short. So in the first assumption, it was like if this happens, a break below this level and a small pullback, then again a break. This will be our entry for short. And in case this happens, it will be our entry for long. And it happened in the positive direction. So this was the entry long, which should have been opened here ideally. And in fact, I did open it. I was just trailing here, and this particular bar just screwed me up. So should I lament or should I repent about that? No, it's not like that. It is part of the game. If 30 to 35 or 40% of your trades are working good, they are working in big numbers, then it is all law of averages. You'll be getting into profit, no problem. So this trade got screwed up. Now the problem which arises, what do you see next? Again a setup. You see, again a setup for opening long position. Now, this is the point where most of the people will be getting hesitant. They won't be having enough courage, or they will be just repenting on the loss which they have made in the previous trade, which will stop them emotionally and psychologically. So, they would be just freezed, you know, not able to take the next trade. But the seasoned guys, the difference is only this one. But the seasoned guy lost here, it's okay. Next, open long here. Next, if it is, yeah, you see, this is pure possibility that this also may arise into a losing trade. Open long here if you are having enough position, or a risk appetite. It depends entirely upon the capital deployed and how much do you want to risk. But still, it is close to. Let me check. I think 720 points. Around 65 points. 65 points of is stop up, and a rest there is no target. In fact, there is a way you can go for targets which will be somewhere around 1 to 1, because markets try to move into 1 to 1 symmetries, meaning that if one swing has been found for 50-60 points, we just put a Fibonacci that it will be going for next 50-60 points, making a ABC structure. You can see AB is equal to CD. The most profitable target out there in market is this only. So as you can see, 127 extension was reached here. If anybody would have opened the long position around 61.8, this strategy has been well discussed thoroughly in my playlist, which I'll be putting in top of the video or in the description section. You can go over that. You opened a long position around 61.8 position, book out at 127. The trade is done. But in case you are a positional trader or you are looking to just carry on the trades, so this targeting system won't be applied. You buy here, keep the stop loss here, let the market decide how much profit does it want to offer you. All right. Now, what is our expectation? This is our expectation. Since it is breaking some highs and then retracing, which is called higher high and higher low pattern. So this is our expectation that it will be continuing the same pattern going forward as well. Should it be met? Is there any forceful commandment to the market that it will be just obeying what I am expecting? No, it will certainly not. There is quite a possibility that this may happen, which is fine. That's why our stop loss is there. In fact, we'll be just trailing behind these stop losses or swing low as the market movement progresses. In case it gaps down somewhere around here, it will be our short just below this. In case you want to enter fresh, I think this will be the point where you should open a fresh position long, which will be, let me check, it is 17,975 roughly on the upper side. You'll be keeping the stop loss around 17,926. So this is the very simple strategy, very simple process which I think anybody can apply. You see, so this is all about Nifty. I do not discuss mostly about Bank Nifty because from years I have been only concentrating on Nifty. If you want that Bank Nifty should also be included, please do post in the comment section as well. So this is the analysis of Nifty. And in fact, many people have just I discuss about have told that why do you focus couple of stocks and only Nifty? So the answer is, if you are able to concentrate on couple of stocks or couple of instruments, then your precision is going to be top notch. Instead, going into random multiple stocks, opening positions today in this stock, in that instrument, trading options, future, and everything everywhere, it is not going to be a profitable game. Concentrate of couple of handful things, and I promise you will be getting a good feeling about the movement of the market, movement of that particular instrument. It will be very beneficial. So as per my test, I only concentrate on Nifty. That's it. Let's quickly look at the stocks. I haven't changed the stocks from couple of days. So this is Bank of Baroda. Buy above 171. It did give a dip, but in fact it has bounced back very nicely today. So 171 above, buy. Keep the stop loss 168.7. Keep on trailing as the market moves. Next one is HDFC AMC. In this also, you will be opening a long position just above this one, 1932.35. The stop loss 1913.65. Simple game of trailing behind every swing low. Interact design. Okay, I think these are the previous markings. So I was thinking, as already shared in the video, 447 will be the level to buy, and it gave a very nice movement from here. In case you are already there, just move your stop loss here, which is 461.7. If you want to buy fresh, open a little bit of low size of position here, because I think from the swings the projections are getting minimized. It may be a possibility that the up move is getting lethargic over here. So if you generally trade 50 to 60 or 100 shares for this particular stock or any stock, just minimize this 25%. So open long above this area, which is 469.75. Put the stop loss around 461.5. That's it. Simple as that. Next one is IRCT. So it was a good move from couple of weeks, gave a dip mid of week around 3 Feb, and then again it has been moving continuously up. Now these are the areas which we are facing resistance, or there is some kind of supply over here. Now if the stock is able to pass above 657, good long position, buy over here. Put the stop loss around 642.35 and keep on trailing. That's it. Now just wanted to show another thing. Now this is the daily chart of IRCTC. As you can see, it has been in the range, or it has been not doing anything since October 21. Now as you see the pattern, it has made low. It was a small up move here. It started correction. It made a new structure low, then again a lower high. This is a low and lower high, and then again a new structure low. Now on the daily chart, there is something interesting happening. This lower high has been broken today. So in case this entire segment of move is moving into another trend or moving into uptrend specifically, then I think this will be a good opportunity to buy IRCT at these levels. This is not a, as a disclosure, this is not a recommendation. You should just keep on your analysis and your as per your recommended financial advisor's advice. But I think that there is something going on. This was the last down move. It was, as you can see, below this low, it did not close, and buyers did push it up. So, in case, I think on a daily chart as well, for a longer time frame, this looks like a good potential buy. So, these were a side note which I noticed in IRCTC. Alright, guys, this is it for the current video. If you do like the analysis shared, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends so that maximum people can get out to the reach. And in case you are having any confusion or you would like to make a specific request, just go on to post a comment. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah.